Recession in the United States drags business activity to declining curve and has hit the heartland of U.S. economy, New York. The city reported that manufacturing activity index plummeted 42.4% to negative 31.3 in August.
And this is the second lowest level of New York Fed's Empire State Business Conditions Index in the survey's history, following the biggest plummet in April 2020 when U.S. economy was heavily hit by COVID-19. The reading below zero indicates economic contraction. Now, some media in the U.S. reports this is the most up-to-date signal of U.S. economic turbulence. An expert with the Oxford Economics says weak domestic demand, high inflation, and soaring interest rates are containing U.S. manufacturing. In the second quarter of this year, Japan's economy has managed to rebound and expand to levels not seen since the start of the pandemic.
For the second quarter of 2022, Japan's GDP grew by 2.2% on an annual basis. Although this was lower than expectations of 2.5% growth, it still means that the value of Japan's GDP increased to 542.1 trillion yen, which exceeds the pre-pandemic levels of GDP in the fourth quarter of 2019. Growth in Japan was driven by 1.1% growth in private consumption. This comes after the Japanese government lifted COVID-19 restrictions on businesses. Japan's exports also rose by 0.9%, while imports rose by 0.7%. Capital expenditure was up by 1.4%, while public investment was up 0.9%.